Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about date trunc function in Spark SQL. So what is date trunc function? Why do we use it? So date trunc function returns timestamp truncated to the unit specified by the format model. What does it mean? It means that suppose you have a time frame, right? And you want to truncate the date. So suppose you are going to truncate based on the year. So what it will going to do? It will going to show the year only, and rest of the things like month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds, that would be zero. Same, suppose you want to show month. So it will going to show year and month, and then day, hour, minute, and seconds. It will show as a zero. So this is the purpose of the date trunc. So whenever we want to truncate the date, then we can use date truncate function. The format which is supported by the date trunc function is double y, month, day, hour, minutes, and second. I will show you this format, how it works in date trunc function when I will going to do the exercise. And this is the signature of date trunc function. So this is AP format and this is APTS. This is the format from where we want to truncate the timestamp, and this is the timestamp on which date truncate function will going to apply. I am going to do an exercise to show you how date truncate function works. For this, I am creating this table. These are the attributes of the table. This table has two columns which has date value. This one AP date of joining and AP date of leaving. These two columns have date. When this table gets created, with the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert some data in this table, and once the data gets inserted in the table, then I will use date truncate function. So what I'm just doing here, I am just selecting all the columns from this table which we have just created. We are creating a column known as a truncate here by giving a alias, and how this alias will going to populate, it will going to populate with the help of this date truncate function. Means whatever the data the truncate here will going to have, that will be going to populate with the help of a date truncate function. So this is the format. Format means year. Format is year, and this is the name of the column which exists in this table, and this is a date column. So a new column will going to create it, and that column has the data only till year, and after that all the data of the date will be blank. Same here, we are just doing month So what it will going to do, it will going to this truncate month column which is getting created with the help of a date truncate function, and the format is month. So till month it will going to show you the value, and after that all the uh, date or timestamp field will be truncated. Same for day and same for hours. So for the day, till day it will be, date will be visible, year, day, month and date it will be visible. Rest of the timestamp will be truncated, like hour, minutes and seconds, all would be truncated. And here same for hour, till hour the data will be there, After the hour, all the values like minutes, seconds, milliseconds, all value will be truncated. So let's do this exercise in Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me rename as date truncate. We need to create a table and we need to insert some records in the table with the help of an insert statement. So I have already created the script. Let me copy the script. This is the script to create the table. Let me copy it and let me run it. Table is being created. Table has been created successfully. Let's insert some records in it. So I have already created this insert script. Run it. So Spark will going to execute these insert statements one by one. All the insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's see the data in this table. Okay, we can see here these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now let's use date truncate function. Let me format this command cell. Then the query would be more visible. Now, what I'm just doing, I'm using this date truncate function. And in the date truncate function, first we need to provide the format. And the format is year. And we need to provide a date string or a time string or a column which has the timestamp. So 80 date of leaving is a column which has a timestamp. We can able to visualize over here. So this is the date of leaving column which has a timestamp. Let me run it. Let's discuss about the output. So this is the date column which has a timestamp value. We have created this truncate year with the help of a date trunc function, and the format we have used is year. So we can see here that this year is coming, rest of the data is truncated. Hour, minutes, milliseconds all are 0. Month and day is populating as a 1. But here month and date is not 1. So this this is how date truncate function works. If there is a requirement to truncate all the data in the timestamp record, only date should be visible, then we can use date truncate function. So this is for year. Now let's see if we are going to truncate based on the month. How it would be visible. Let me rename it. Instead of year, let me put month. We can see here, if we are truncating the date based on the month, then year and month is visible. We can see year and month. It is coming from this date column, from which we are just creating this this truncate month column. Till month data is visible, and after that it has been truncated. For month it is showing 1, but in the month it is not 1, so it has been truncated, and hour, minutes, all values are showing as a 0. Now let's see if we are going to truncate based on the day, how data will looks like. Here is day, run it. Let's discuss the output. So this is the date column from which we have created this truncate underscore day column based on with the help of a date truncate function. We can able to see it till day. The data is visible. We can see here also day is visible, here also day is visible, here also day is visible. But after that, like hour, minutes, milliseconds, all are truncated. All data for hour, minutes, milliseconds, second, it's showing as a 0. Now let's do one more truncating with the help of a R. Means the format is R. Let me run it. Now we can see till here hour is visible. Like this is the 999, everywhere the R is a 9. That's why it is visible 9. And after that, this minutes, second and milliseconds, all the data are truncated and it is showing as 0. In this exercise, we have shown you how we can use date truncate function to truncate the timestamp. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.